Video is on how to search for specific students or teachers using an administrator's login. So first you need to make sure you're on the correct sign-in page. It looks different from the regular PowerSchool or Unified Classroom page. And this is only for administrators or members of the student support team. Your username should be the same as the first part of your email address, but then you'll have a different password than you would use for your email. So you're going to be given this login separately. Go ahead and sign in, and you're going to be looking at a start page here, and right away you can see the search function. So we'll start by searching for a student. You can begin by typing in a name, and the program will suggest students that match that name, or you can select the grade level you're searching for. And you can see that I only see 9 through 12 here, and that's because upper school is selected up here in the upper right. If I select middle school, I'd be taken to that grade range instead. So that's how to search for students. Let's switch over to staff. Same thing, I'm only going to see the staff here from the middle school because that's what's selected in the upper right. So I'm going to click back to upper school if I want to search that upper school staff. And again, you can start to type in a name, here I am, or you can just click on the list teachers and scroll down alphabetically until you see what you want. Once you select the teacher you want, you can go to current schedule to see that teacher's list of classes, and then you can click on PowerTeacher Pro to see their actual gradebook. So if you wanted to check on a specific student to see whether they turned in a certain assignment or just to see what the assignment for the day was and get a description of it, you can click on PowerTeacher Pro under that admin page and you will be taken to that teacher's gradebook. Obviously there aren't any assignments loaded in for this school year yet, but this is the place that you'd be able to view those.